Suction cup check.
Steven, we made it.
Oh, Mr. Sleepin', you're awake.
Yeah, finally.
Yeah, you ready for today? We got
I
a
am
busy
ready
day.
for today, yes.
So today we're driving to Vancouver.
I haven't been there in 4 years.
Yeah, we're in Kelowna. We're heading to Vancouver. It's one of my favorite cities in the whole world.
The whole world?
Yep, driving to Vancouver. My center display on my, well, you know, but the viewers don't know. My center display on my Huracan where it displays my engine temp voltages and engine coolant temp.
And all the fan stuff.
Yeah, my HVAC stuff stopped working. So we're gonna pop into Vancouver, probably do a little bit of a video there while they look at my car.
Wait. For the people that don't know, why are we going to Vancouver for that?
Because the only Lamborghini dealers around are Calgary and Vancouver. We're 4 hours from Vancouver, 13 hours from Calgary. So, and it just coincidentally, we were heading that way anyway. So I called service, they had an opening, so we're gonna go there. The car looked at. Then we're gonna jump on the ferry, go across to Victoria, check things out over there, and see what the day brings. I'm not sure what's gonna happen today.
Perfect.
So let's get our life together.
Steve drove from right there to right there. That's how far Starbucks is.
Disposable masks, and I don't know where any are.
This is legit why we staying at that hotel. It took you 0.2 seconds to go to Starbucks.
Did you walk here?
I timed you actually.
Oh, good on you.
Look at that, we're already at Starbucks.
Already at Starbucks.
Why'd you say good on me? It literally was like a 3-second walk. Starbucks, if you want to sponsor us by now,
Yeah.
that'd be
We're only
great.
here 3 times a day.
Yeah. Whoa, Steven.
Oh, this is awkward. You didn't get
The
a
one
drink.
time I don't go inside with you, you just don't.
Nah, I'm just kidding. So I ordered you Leah's favorite drink, the ice shaken espresso.
Nice.
But he messed it up. He put espresso on ice and called it a day. I'll be back. Oh, no, I won't. You know what? They'll probably bring it out here, right?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, bud.
Okay, well, we're on our way to good old Vancouver.
Van. Caffeine's flowing. GPS is rolling. See what I did there? I made that rhyme.
Yeah, I
You like
did,
that?
yeah.
Let's do this.
Let's get out of here.
Let's do it.
Stretching those legs, Steve.
Suction cup check. Probably a pee break maybe while we're up here.
Pee break. Where are you peeing here? There's literally nowhere to pee.
There's a tire right there.
Where are we at? Oh, Loon Lake Rest Area. That's where it says.
Yeah, exactly. That's where we are. Loon Lake Rest Area.
So where are these stop checks that everybody keeps talking about?
Well, we're only an hour and a half in, so maybe coming still. I'm not sure.
Ah, fair.
Yeah. Let's roll. Get in the car.
Let's go.
Get in the car. I'm leaving you.
I'm coming. Whoa, Steve! Steve! Hey, thanks for waiting for me.
Get your ass in the car when it's time to get in the car.
Yeah, so nice
All right,
of you.
let's go.
Let's get out of here.
Door?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Shit, my bad. Well, we made it to a gas station.
Yeah, hour out of our way here, yeah.
Also, this is the first time we're using a Chevron gas station because we don't have these in Saskatchewan.
No, we don't, and people swear by them. I've never tried it, so let's give it a go. We're either walking or performing, one or the other. And then randomly, I don't know how, when we were lost in Kamloops, the screen that turned off, I don't know if I turned off a setting or something, just started working.
Oh, nice.
I put it on the Lamborghini forums, and there was a couple guys who said they've had that problem before and it's just turned itself back on. Again, I don't know if it's just a setting we're messing with or something, but the other guy said he's had his car for 6 years and the screen's never done anything. So
long story short,
we don't need to go there now.
We don't need to go to Lamborghini. But hey, I just want to say one more thing, Steve.
Yeah.
You having a headache?
I do have a headache today.
Do you have a headache?
Yeah, somebody kept me awake last night with their cuddles and
We didn't cuddle. Work give you a headache. Steve, are you popping pills in here?
yeah, I use Advil liquid gel.
You're using Advil and coffee? I honestly don't know if that's good for you. Advil and coffee?
What's the worst that could happen?
is everybody passing you?
I don't know. I'm just a cautious driver. I don't know.
Yeah. Steven.
Oh, hey, Noid, how are you?
Good, good. I guess we made it to Vancouver, though.
We're in Vancouver traffic, my friend.
Nice. Off to Lamborghini.
Off to Lamborghini, still car shopping, and see what kind of shenanigans we can get into here.
Nice. Just want to say downtown, or wherever we are, Vancouver smells like ass.
It does smell like ass. We're on Quebec Street right now.
They must be doing a garbage thing or something. It smells like shit.
It doesn't smell amazing.
Sponsored by Alpine Apparel. Steven, we made it.
Okay, guys, we're outside downtown Vancouver, not Lamborghini, because Noid, Spencer, have it in my head that I need a third supercar.
Yes.
So now we're supercar shopping again.
Nice. Well, let's go check out the one that you want.
Let's go see what we can find.
Rookie. Hey, Steve, would my head be out of the...
Yeah, we're over 6 feet tall. We're not gonna fit this.
What is that?
So this is like an early 2000s Murcielago. So these are only, they're not under 600 horsepower, maybe 580, 570.
So what ended up replacing the Murcielago?
The new Aventador. Like that's...
Oh, really?
Yeah, so I've considered, this is an E-gear, I've considered buying one of these instead of my Gallardo, but like these are, you know, depending on the car, low 200s, mid 200s, and an E-gear gated, you're like 500. This is a gorgeous example of a Gallardo. This is an LP car, so for those unaware, that's like 08 to up. This is a 552, so it's two-wheel drive, whereas mine is four-wheel drive. Mine's a 560. The two-wheel drives always come with a little less power. It's a gorgeous car. It's got gorgeous wheels, spec'd nice. And then actually, for those unaware, it went from the Gallardo to the Huracan. So that's actually an Evo Huracan, so that's a few models above my Huracan. But these are essentially the same car.
Steve, so Lambo was cool, but there wasn't really anything exciting. I thought I'd see the brand new Lambo.
Bro, there was like 6 cars total in there. August has way more inventory.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you know what? For my boy Bentley, let's go get a couple shots of Bentleys. I'm not gonna buy a Bentley, but let's go take a couple shots.
So what is this area? Is this all supercars?
I don't know, man. It's like there's like
it looks like 20th Street.
It's a miniature version of our Saskatoon Auto Mall. Like there's like, I don't know, there's a whole bunch of dealers here.
But it's like small locations. Everybody has a small location.
Oh.
Bentleys, hey? Bentley for Bentley.
Bentley for Bentley.
If you were to get a Bentley though, would you get the SUVs or would you get like the, the sedans?
100%, yeah.
Really? Convertibles, regular?
Love it. Love it.
The convertibles?
Love it.
Everything.
All of it.
Yeah.
Love it.
Some pretty cool cars here. Hey, you got convertibles.
Bentley's gorgeous, man. Like unreal. Aston Martin's really nice too.
Does the luxury factor make you want to have a Bentley or no?
No, I love the idea of it.
Okay,
yeah, for sure.
It's so much better than the regular tap water.
Oh, 100%. Thank you so much. Look at that.
Look at that. Well, car shopping was a bust in downtown Vancouver. We're gonna get some food, fuel up, hit the ferry, head for Victoria, and we'll see you guys on the next video.
Yeah, well, like and all that good stuff.
All the good stuff.
Yeah.